Toxic human beings don't constantly arrive loudly. Sometimes they input your lifestyles like smoke, diffused, slow, nearly invisible, and earlier than you recognize it, you're inhaling negativity, drama, and emotional exhaustion. But right here's the reality. You don't chase smoke away by using preventing it. You clean the air. Today, we're speaking about a way to make poisonous people stay away clearly, not with revenge, not with arguments, however, with quiet mental strength. Because whilst your strength adjustments, access adjustments. Let's start. 1. Master emotional neutrality. Toxic people feed on emotional reactions. Anger, frustration, lengthy explanations. These are their rewards. When you respond calmly rather than reacting all of a sudden, you remove their gasoline. Your stillness becomes uncomfortable for them. Emotional neutrality sends a powerful signal. You cannot manipulate my internal state, and when they can't manage your emotions, they slowly lose interest. 2. Set clear, quiet boundaries. Boundaries aren't loud bulletins. They are calm decisions. You don't need speeches. A simple, "I'm no longer okay with that," or "that doesn't work for me," is sufficient. Psychologically, consistent obstacles create mental distance. Toxic personalities opt for easy access. When access becomes limited and firm, they naturally move towards easier goals. Respect yourself, actually, and others will adjust accordingly. 3. Stop over-explaining yourself. Over-explaining often comes from a need to be understood. But toxic people don't searching for knowledge, they searching for leverage. The greater you justify, the more material they need to twist. When you communicate briefly and with a bit of luck, you eliminate openings for manipulation. Confidence without clarification feels unshakable, and manipulators avoid what they cannot bend. 4. Limit personal information. Access is power. When you overshare your fears, insecurities, and private struggles, you unknowingly supply poisonous humans tools. Not everyone deserves to know your weaknesses. By keeping your personal life selective and sacred, you protect your peace. Mystery is not secrecy, it's self-respect. The less they know, the less they can manage. 5. Detach from the need for approval. Toxic dynamics live on approval-seeking behavior. If you consistently seek validation, reassurance, or acceptance, you would become emotionally dependent, and dependency attracts control. But when you stand firm in your own worth, when you don't chase, don't beg, don't prove, something shifts. Your energy changes from "please accept me" to "I accept myself," and self-acceptance repels manipulation naturally. 6. Focus on growth, not drama. Toxic human beings thrive in chaos. They love gossip, conflict, and emotional tension. When your life becomes centered on growth, health, learning, purpose, peace, you vibrate differently. You become less available for drama. Psychologically, people seek environments that match their energy. If your life reflects clarity and discipline, toxic personalities feel out of place, and what feels uncomfortable is eventually avoided. You don't have to announce your strength. You don't have to confront everybody. You don't even have to fight. Sometimes the strongest move is simply elevating your standards. Toxic people don't disappear because you confront them. They disappear because they can no longer access you. Remember this: when you guard your peace, negativity loses its invitation. If this message resonated with you, comment which psychology trick you'll start using today, and join Mayor's quest for more wisdom on mastering your attitude and living with calm energy. Stay peaceful, stay conscious, and let your growth speak louder than any toxicity.